What's up, you guys? It's Imjustmay, and I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing a video. Well, tonight it's like 12 o'clock at night, and I just decided to pull out my phone and record. And today's video will be I guess a natural upburn. My hair looks a little rough right now, so I just decided to do it. I just got the shower actually, and I just want to do it for you guys, just for you, because y'all are special. So why not do it for my babies? So I guess that's what today's video will consist of. And this actually is a hard brush, y'all. Too hard. Okay, first I will be applying this gel on there. This is the new gel, the black castor oil and flaxseed oil gel. It's new. And I will be applying that to my hair first. And this one promotes hair growth. It actually grows your hair when you put it on. So not many gels do that for your hair. So let's just use this one first and apply those to those edges. I have edges, but I feel like I don't have enough. So, and I hate that. I feel like I don't have enough edges. Okay. Make sure you get your sides also. And guys, I'm going to start posting 3 videos every week. 3 videos per week for you guys. And I'm going to get me a time to just sit it like every 3 days. Say I post videos Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I'm going to post them at 8 o'clock properly. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to keep me a time up, you know, with them. So y'all can know, so y'all can expect a video that time. So y'all can know. Okay. We're done with this gel, so I go to the other one. And the other one is just the original Eco Stylish, so you guys know that works well. My hair look jet black. I mean, it's black, but it look real black. Okay. Now, make sure you have your scrunchie that's stretchable. Hopefully this don't break, because it will break. So, you want to pick this out one more time. Okay. Oh, and this is actually a hard brush. My soft brush is it's in my brother's room, but I do not feel like getting it. So I'm just stick with this brush. So okay. So you might leave it as this. The up ponytail. Do you guys like it like this? Or I should put it in the bun? I like it like this. I think you guys would like it like this. This is cute and simple. So, yeah. Let's do the edges. So, for your edges, you're going to have the original Eco Styler gel and edge tamer, 24-hour edge tamer. This is some great edge control. Normally I don't need edge control for my hair, but I like the way this works, and it works well on my hair. And I think any type of hair, any hair you have, 4C, AC, any kind of hair, it works fabulous on it. And I recommend you get it at your local store, you know, your local hair store. I'm pretty sure they have it, and this will go well with it. So I know you'll like it. So it works wonders. And you use that, and you use your original edge Eco Styler, and then you put some on it and you apply it to your edges. Apply it to your edges. Apply it all the way around. Okay. Don't apply it to all of it yet. Apply it to the ones you're about to do now. You know, apply it to that. So I'm about to do this side first, my right side, which is my left side to you guys, I think. I'm not sure. There we go. See? Already works. See, this is why I said I don't need edge control. I mean, edge control, because my gel works wonders also. And I basically don't need meet the other stuff in my hair. So, keep getting light. Guys, bear with me. I don't have a camera yet. I have my iPhone 7 that I'm using, and I will be upgrading to an X in October. And I just went to, I was at Walmart grocery shopping with my mom, right, and my sister. And I just went into the store, into the phone store, and the camera is amazing. Like, it's amazing. Like, for real, like, it can't get no better than that. Shoot, I thought that with the iPhone 7 camera, it couldn't get no better than that. But everything works wonders, baby. So, anyways, you apply this. You get a little bit of your edge tamer, and you apply it to your hair. To your edges. You don't need a lot. Don't put a lot on your head now. Because you ain't gonna like it. So this look nice. Okay, this side, guys. I'm just brushing this on up. Moving on up. And like I said, like I did that side, get you some Eco Styler and you apply it to your edges. Okay. Y'all see that? Okay, guys. So, like we did this side, you apply some edge tamer. You don't need that much. Okay. Okay, guys. So, and it's sad because I have to go to sleep. I actually just woke up at 11 something. So I'm not going to be asleep probably till 2 o'clock in the morning. So, this is the results. However, this ugly little comb, once again, is the best comb to work with. My sister broke it. It had like a little metal thing right here. It works wonder. Like you want to part your hair. Oh my God. It parts wonders, y'all. Okay. Pull some hair out in the back. And call it a day. And I'm not done because I have to do these right here, guys. So, we just wait on that. I'm going to do my back of my head first. I see that? Why my lips look so pink? Eight. Okay. Okay. I know y'all like, why you keep messing with your ponytail? Don't worry about me. I'm just playing. Okay. Alright.
Looking good, looking fine. Got a glass of wine. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching my video, taking your time out of the day to look at me do a beautiful hairstyle for you guys. I thank you so much. Hope you subscribe. Hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your mama, tell your dad, tell your papi, tell your granny. And comment down below on what other hairstyles I should do for you guys, because I honestly don't know. Well, I know one of them, a slick back ponytail, and I will be doing that for you guys also. So make sure you comment down below, and anything, not just hairstyles, but challenges, videos, pranks, anything you want me to do, I would do. And I'm in the process of moving. That's why I look dry back there. I'm in the process of moving. We have to move soon. My mom just got this house, so when we move, I will be fixing my room up, and I'm gonna take you guys with me, go record every step of the way, and hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully I love it too. See my new room, because I'm such a princess. So hope you guys like this video, because you do not want to miss a video from Imjustmay, and make sure you subscribe. Holla.